Hello and welcome to graphic.com.gh. From the Graphic Online TV newsroom, we bring you news in brief. We start from the Supreme Court, where the Speaker of Parliament today surprised the court in the ongoing anti-LGBT bill suit. During the hearing of the application seeking to restrain the Speaker from submitting the bill to the President for his assent, Counsel for the Speaker, Thaddeus Sorry, informed the court that he has just received new information from his client that a fiscal impact analysis was not done on the bill.
The issue of whether or not the Speaker of Parliament gave an opinion on the financial impact the bill would have on the consolidated fund, as well as the fiscal impact analysis on the bill, is at the heart of the two suits challenging the constitutionality of the bill. It is the case of the plaintiffs in the two separate suits that the bill is not constitutional because the Speaker failed to give an opinion on the financial impact as stipulated by the 1992 Constitution. The Attorney General had earlier argued that any bill of that nature needed a fiscal impact analysis, and therefore a bill of that nature needed to emanate from the executive. But the Speaker surprisingly informed the court that he indeed conducted the analysis and therefore wanted the court to allow him to file that new evidence. But the Attorney General opposed and described it as a surprise and unfair. The Chief Justice, Gertrude Tokun, who presided over a 5-member panel of the court, was also not enthused about the timing of introducing that evidence. The court directed counsel to file the new information in the substantive case and not in the applications for interlocutory injunction. The court will on July 17 give a ruling on the two applications seeking to restrain the Speaker from transmitting the bill to the President.
And in the area of crime, the police today announced that it was on a hunt for a man who is suspected to have shot and killed 3 people near Mankranso in the Shanty region on Tuesday.
In a press statement, the law enforcement agency said on July 2nd it received information that the suspect, Osman Majid, had shot 3 people, claiming that they were part of a group that had come to attack him. A police team visited the scene of the incident and conveyed the bodies of the deceased to the morgue for preservation and autopsy. Osman Majid is currently at large and the police are looking for him.
And in politics, the opposition National Democratic Congress says its Asin Central parliamentary aspirant, Nurin Shaibu, is still the one who will contest the seat on the party's ticket. The party has therefore suspended the Central Regional Chairman, Professor Richard Kofi Siedu, from office for 1 month for engaging in what the party describes as an anti-party behavior.
In a statement, Fifi Kwete, the General Secretary of the NDC, announced that the withdrawal of Nurin Shaibu by the Functional Executive Committee of Central Region was of no effect. Mr. Kwete said after a meeting with the National Functional Executive Committee on Tuesday, it became clear that Prof. Siedu and his regional executive had no locus to withdraw the candidate from a national election. He added that the reasons underpinning the purported withdrawal of Shaibu were totally false and without any basis.
And before we go, we take you to the Guinness World Record, where it has debunked claims by Ghanaian chef Ebenezer Smith that he is the world record holder for the longest cooking marathon by an individual.
Smith did his cooking in February at the Ahmadiyya Shopping Center at Spintex in Accra. On Tuesday, he called a press conference in Accra and announced himself as the record holder with 820 hours and showcased a certificate he claimed to have received from the record-keeping company. A check with Guinness World Record, however, revealed that the certificate Chef Smith showcased at the press conference was not from them. It was also explained that Chef Smith had not even applied to attempt the record, and therefore the GWR was not even aware of his effort. The GWR clarified that the record for longest cooking marathon is still 119 hours, 57 minutes and 16 seconds, achieved by Ireland's Alan Fisher from 28 September to 3 October in 2023.
Thank you for watching. For more news, please visit our website graphic.com.gh and follow us on social media at Graphic Online Ghana on TikTok, Daily Graphic Ghana on Facebook and Instagram, and Graphic GH on YouTube and X. I am Enoch Dafa Frimpong.